I woke up in a bad dream. My head felt 2 sizes too small for my brain.
Max Payne,
Complete your PC project.
And the killer was smiling.
pleased to meet you. I'm Frankie the Bat Niagara.
Niagara, as in you cry a lot? He had a baseball bat and I was tied to a chair. Pissing him off was the smart thing to do.
Hello everyone, myself Renu Giman from Old Monks. Our team consists of following members: Van Sharma, myself, Sarthak Chauhan, Yatin Kamboj and Rishabh Kumar. We as a collective team are here to present you a topic: quantum mechanics. The quantum mechanics has been evolving since past decade and it's one of the most important topic in recent and current world. Our goal as a team Old Monks is you to teach about what is quantum computing and what its uses. Folks, as we know, we currently live in the world of AI. But something as powerful as AI is being revolutionizing since past decade. That's quantum computing. Quantum computing is one of the most and biggest breakthrough in our current lives. It's very powerful. It can solve biggest math problem in built-up seconds, and it is very useful in secure communications. And as we know, secure communication is very important in our world because security is something we all take privilege about. Here folks, let me just brief you about how quantum computers work. Unlike regular computers which use bits 0 or 1, quantum computers uses qubits which can be 0 or 1 at the same time, which is called as superposition. Quantum computers use another term, entanglement. It is used by qubits. No matter how apart they are, qubits can connect themselves, which is very important in the case of quantum computing. It makes them very super powerful and very fast. Unlike regular computers, which will take thousands of years to solve a very tough question, it will take just minutes to solve from quantum computers. It can help in making new drugs, simulating molecules, and multiple theories, which can be solved by using quantum computers in a very fast rate. Now, on to the uses of quantum computation. One of the biggest breakthrough given by quantum computers is quantum encryption. Quantum encryption is very important. Security is one of the most important things in our lives. Quantum encryption enables users to prevent someone else to access their messages. How quantum encryption works? Quantum encryption works through the quantum key distribution method. Quantum key distribution in simpler way, it will generate some simple keys which will be transmitted which will be transmitted by their photons. And photons are very tiny particles as we all know, and it will help to encrypt the messages in a form of key that will be unbreakable by any other rather than sender and receiver. Let's now take a look at how quantum computers are revolutionized our real world. We are thinking that quantum computers are distant future, but they are currently being used in one of the most advanced sectors. For example, drug revolution. Quantum computers are used in drug revolutions as they can simulate drugs in molecules in quantum level. Stimulating drugs in quantum level will help pharmaceutical companies to test and produce drugs more efficiently. The drugs which will take tens of years to create will take weeks or days. On to the financial modeling. Quantum computer can also help in financial modeling. It can help read the databases and read the most critical and tough financial datasets of companies. It will improve the risk analysis and improve fraud detection. On to the third part, material science. Quantum computing is helping us to make products more efficient, lightweight, and good for nature. By using quantum computing, material science is developing at a very faster rate. Now let's dive into the another concept of quantum computing, which is quantum sensors. Quantum sensors allow us to view things in our environment with very precision. For example, let me show and brief you about these topics. Medical imaging. Quantum sensors are being used in medical imaging in the form of MRIs. MRIs are used to detect the problems early on the stage in the body. MRIs, due to the use of quantum sensors, MRIs are being upgraded and the diagnosis are being done very early on to the stage. Now, on to quantum monitoring. With the help of quantum sensors, we can now even detect the pollution level in air, water, and even underground. With the help of quantum sensors, we can detect the toxic, harmful places which are abundant of the pollution. We can ensure public health, and we can also issue an advisory related to toxic pollution in our environment. On to the next topic, navigation. Imagine traveling a case a GPS is not working. Here's the link for events. Navigation with the help of quantum sensors is here. Quantum sensors allow us to be our environment without the use of GPS. GPS uses internet, but without internet, we can use quantum sensors. Quantum sensors can work even in underground levels, even in water, even in air, and even on land. Quantum sensors in navigations are being tested on aircrafts, spaceships, etc. Quantum technology is just becoming like a race, just like space race in 20th century. Now let's see who is leading the chart. Obviously China. How can we keep this country out of anything? China is leading massively in quantum technology. China is investing massively also. China has launched the ultra secure communication network and also enabled its satellites with quantum technology. And quantum sensors are also being put in this satellites. USA, obviously. USA companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are the major hubs of quantum computing. Quantum computing in USA is just like finding wild animals in Africa. It's everywhere. USA launched a quantum program, National Quantum Initiative, which is exploring both hardware and software of the quantum field. Now on to Europe. A surprise entry, I guess. Europe is also exploring its way in quantum technology. Europe's ways are quite different rather than these two. Europe is making quantum technology for the whole world rather than focusing on its own country. Europe's technological program is being routed by a European flagship program, focusing on everyone's benefit. The goal of leading the charge in quantum race is much more about the rights of quantum. It's about whoever develops the quantum first will have the access of super fast computers in the world, which is a very used thing in current scenario. The possibilities with quantum computing is endless. We are standing at the edge of new digital era. The quantum computing will transform the current world in next 50 years. The most important part of quantum computing is quantum enhanced AI. Imagine using AI with the speed of quantum computing. AI analyzing data at the speed of quantum will revolutionize this world. On to the next part, personalized medicine. With the help of quantum computing in medicine, the doctors will have personalized data to the all patients with the help of the customized treatment based on individual to the quantum signatures. On to the next part, the most important part, quantum internet. Secure and ultra fast network which will be near possibly by the next 50 years. And using quantum internet, it will be impossible to break the quantum chain as it's in the law of quantum networking. As before we finish, I would like to thank the old monks for incredibly helping me and making this project working with me, especially with me as and the partner with since this project is going on. I would like to thank them, and it's been a great journey with them. I have been learning the quantum today with their phone. Thank